Nagsusnore ka. Yun yung number one change. Wala rin.
Ikaw rin nagsusnore ka rin eh.
So, expect mo ba yun sa akin? Kasi lalaki ako.
Hi, friends.
We're the Kuwas, and welcome to
Podcast.
where we talk about life, marriage, family, and anything related to that. So, for today's episode, it's a very special episode for us because this will be our very first ever episode of our podcast. And this episode, we're going to talk about marriage expectations versus realities. Just a quick history or background about our relationship of me and Daniel. We've been married for almost 2 years now. We got married last 2024.
Yeah.
And then we were courting each other for almost 7 years.
Yes. Long time.
So yeah, it's a very long time before we got married.
Yeah.
So, paano nga ba yun, no? All throughout our dating life, ang tagal nun, 7 years.
Yes.
Tapos, once we got married, dun, meron ba kaya mga in-expect ka? Or ako naman, na dati, in your mind, na yun yung mangyayari sa married life nyo, pero iba pala, yun nangyari. So, ang dami, no? Hindi kaya?
Can you start? Ano ba?
Wala kang maisip. So, lahat pala ng expectations mo nung nag-court pa lang tayo, nangyari sa marriage. Do you agree?
Siguro I'm not expecting too much. Pero
Okay.
you waking up so early, expected ko na yon.
Yun lang? Yun lang ba?
Ano ba?
So, dati, you were expecting to wake up a little later.
Yeah.
Pero once you got married,
Ay, hindi
maaga
naman.
na.
No. I know you're earlier than my usual. Yeah.
Yeah, so makita mo talaga, may lifestyle change in a
Yes.
sense.
And talagang you have to compromise a lot of things
Agree.
pagdating sa marriage.
Kasi
Yeah. Sa food.
Sa food, sige,
Like one.
anong mga examples?
You love pizza so much.
And you don't?
I like, but not like every week.
Oh, every week ba tayo
Oo, mama,
nagpipizza?
dati diba? Lagi tayong pipizza.
When was that? Di ko maalala yun, ah.
Siguro, basta every month meron. Pero may time na every week din.
So,
I mean, I enjoy it. Pero, yun nga, parang siguro, it's not your usual go-to food. Ganun.
okay. So, ako naman, when we got married,
Yeah.
nagsusnore ka.
Uy, ikaw rin ah.
Yun yung number one change.
Grabe, uy. Hindi mo alam nagsusnore
Naging-
ako.
Hindi. Kasi we never
Yeah.
eat together
But,
when
hindi ko makinwento.
wala rin.
Ikaw rin nagsusnore ka rin eh.
So, expect mo ba yun sa akin? Kasi lalaki ako.
Hindi ko siya naisip. Yeah.
Pero, did it became a something new to you? Or
Yeah, of course.
parang,
Grinding
okay,
teeth. Like that.
grinding teeth.
Yeah.
So, hindi ka nakatulog?
Nung una, di ba? Binigyan pa nga ako ng best friend mo ng earplugs para makatulog ako.
Right. Did it help?
Yeah, pero lumalabas yung earplugs sa tenga
So,
ko.
maybe sa viewers natin, may recommend kang magandang earplugs.
Hindi ko hindi ko maalala yung brand, pero it's from Japan.
Grinders na husband nila.
Yeah. Dati gamit ko yung Muji, pero lumalabas. Basta Japan siya ng brand. Hindi ko maalala saan yung nabili yun.
Okay. Yung kinasal ka, did you expect na ikaw na in charge of the household? Laba, luto, linis, yan lahat.
Naisip ko yun, pero hindi ko siya fully nakita. I mean, parang hindi mo siya in-imagine. Not until it really happened. So, ayun, everything's new to me. Like yung linis may idea na ako, I sometimes do it, pero hindi ako masyado pinapalinis sa bahay. So,
Mhm.
laba rin, no. So, that's new to me, pati yung luto. So, thankful ako sa friends ko na nako-call ko para tanungin, tama ba pagtupi ko? Tama ba yung pagsampay ko? Or like, ano ba? Yung luto, recipes ng friends ko. And thankfully, may YouTube University.
YouTube University. Agree. Dami ko rin natutunan diyan mga recipes, eh. Pero tupi, 'di ba you have your own style of tupi?
Well, KonMari method ng Marie Kondo, pero there are some clothes na parang di ako sure or paano ba siya isampay ng mabuti.
Hmm.
So yun, that's new, but yeah, it's okay.
So, overall, malaki ba yung naging adjustment mo
Of
with
course, of course.
moving here?
Kasi it's really different if you live na nakabukod eh. Like,
Okay.
yung live and cleave.
Mm.
So, that's new to us, 'di ba?
Mm.
Kasi for the longest time, we're living with our families.
Yep.
And parang alam mo 'yun, hindi mo masyado mina-mind yung mga things sa house or like there's nothing much to think of or worry about kasi there's someone else managing the house. And this time it's really different. It feels like grow up. You have to grow up. Ayun.
Tama, tama. I agree with that kasi nga all throughout our life,
Mm.
we've been living under the roof of our parents. So, right now, as a one family na tayo, talagang you have this responsibility na rin, me as the man of the house,
Yeah.
on how to take care of our
Yes.
family and how to have peace with the family and everything. So, okay.
Parang 'di ba yung ano, tulo sa bahay, mapapaisip ka na ang dami mo ng iisipin. Hala, paano 'yan? Pero dati 'pag tumutulo sa bahay namin parang, it's okay. Iisipin 'yun ng ano,
So there's
ng
someone
ni angkong or like ni
in
ama,
charge of
gano'n,
that.
oo.
So talaga yung role mo as a wife or
Yeah.
role natin, role ko as a husband living sa isang bahay. So, yun na yung mga pinoproblema natin sa buhay.
Yeah,
Tama ba?
yeah.
Okay. So, 2 years down the road na tayo na married. 2 years plus. Now we have a baby.
Yes.
So, what's the biggest argument kaya can you think of?
Tayo?
Maybe people or our viewers
Mm.
or our listeners may think na, sa marriage, ganito yung siguro yung mga away
Yeah.
na expect namin. In reality pala, ay, meron pala mga away na ganito yung mga nangyari or ganito yung reasons bakit natin pinapag-awayan.
Biggest?
Or
Siguro madami tayong light na maliliit na argument. Although, I feel sometimes they're petty if like we're tired. Tapos nag-raise ng voice sa isa't isa. We both felt disrespected. Pero we said sorry agad. Ano pa ba? Parang wala akong ibang maisip. Pero siguro if there's a big argument, it's the external factors. So it's not within our marriage, but the people that's around us.
Okay.
Yeah, ayun.
How about internal? Kahit hindi big.
Internal?
Parang anything that we did but we solved naman between the two
Ano
of
ba sa
us.
tingin mo? Parang hindi ko siya maisip ngayon.
Maybe mga roles natin sa bahay.
Rules.
Rules or
Rules? Rules.
role?
Rule. Parang wala naman.
Wala naman. So,
Kasi ano naman tayo
we can do
eh.
anything what we
We
want.
don't even score. Ano ba tawag doon? Keep score. 'Di ba? Parang if sino mas may energy sa atin for now, someone does the dishes or like you help me.
Mhm.
'Di ba? Most of the time ako nagluluto, pero minsan ikaw. So, parang wala naman na parang, "Uy, gan'to na ako, ikaw naman." Or like, "Uy, mas naglaba ako today, ikaw naman." Walang gano'n. I think that's what I like about us. We we don't really think about that, you know? Like, basta we do it out of love to each other. And that's what I also appreciate about you.
So why
You're
do you
very
think
helpful.
so? na
Ha?
ganun na ang naging dynamics natin? Meron ba tayong pinag-usapan kaya or am I just a helpful husband, ganun?
Now that I think of it, honestly, wala akong ibang maisip kung hindi si God. You know,
Okay.
as you know, as the usual that people says siguro, or as religious as it may sound, I don't know, pero it's really God. And I'm so confident to the point na we started out our dating kasi with prayer, with almost, daily devotions. Siguro may skip ng 1 day or two, pero we always try to be consistent. And for me, I just believe na when you put God at the center, everything else will follow.
Mm.
And I feel with all the biblical stuff that we have talked about marriage, nung hindi pa tayo kinakasal, imagine. Ang
Mm.
dami natin binasa na devotions, 'di ba? Na tinakal na natin na about kids na we're not even sure kung tayo ba talaga in the end. So parang for me, it was God. Yeah, it's him na who brought us to where we are right now. The way we think, the way we love each other, the way we see our family, our home. Yun. I mean, we're not perfect, pero I can really say na he's, patching everything up
Right.
as the day goes by.
Yeah, I agree with that kasi when we're courting pa lang naman,
Yeah.
we always put God na agad sa center of our relationship.
Yeah.
So we do the daily devotions together. And as early as courting, we're already reading about Bible topics about
Yes.
marriage.
Mm-hmm.
So napapag-usapan natin what's it like having a godly marriage. So there are questions there na babasa natin na napag-uusapan
Yeah.
that
Parang,
helps us prepare for the married life nga.
yung tipong, ma-apply ba natin to?
Mhm.
Tapos, sometimes, when you read kasi, no, parang, hindi siya related sa'yo ngayon. Pero when the time comes, the Holy Spirit will impress it upon you and give you the wisdom to know what to do at that moment. So, yeah, that's what's really nice about reading God's word always. Pero yeah, ikaw ba? Ano bang tingin mong biggest ano natin?
Iba pa rin eh, no? Na, yes, we read a lot of devotions, we read a lot of marriage topics to
Yeah.
prepare. Pero iba pa rin when you experience that
Y-
moment,
Yeah, that's true.
no?
Pero you know what I like about what they say, 'di ba? Parang you don't have to make the mistakes of other people. That's why you learn from others.
Mm-mm, mm-mm,
So we learn from the Bible, we learn from devotions, we learn from people around us.
mm-mm.
So yeah, that's what's good then.
Yes, ang daming foundations about marriage sa Bible.
Yeah.
Kasi dun pa lang, when you read about it, how yung sa roles nga of what a married couple is or a family is. And from there, it applies nga to all our marriage.
Yes, you're right.
Any married people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So ga, sa lahat ng napag-usapan natin ngayon, anong malilive mo sa ating mga viewers or listeners?
Okay. The joke. So to all the listeners dyan, one important thing about marriage is it takes extra communication
I like that.
for you to have a strong married relationship. Kasi sometimes when you just think na, alam na nito ng asawa ko or dapat alam na niya 'to.
Yeah.
You expect her na dapat alam niya 'to, which eventually hindi pala. Dun kayo magkakaroon ng conflict or away.
I agree.
So talagang kung meron man kailangang pag-usapan early on sa marriage niyo, pag-usapan niyo na. Both of us should be on board on listening. Because iba yung just hearing
Yeah,
than really listening to your spouse.
agree.
So with proper communication, nagkakaroon ng less misunderstandings
Yes.
with one another. And kung ano man yung maging conflict nga, in case umabot kayo sa conflict, papasok pa rin yung communication doon eh.
Yeah.
Alam nga naman, hindi na kayo magpapansinan. Pag nag-away kayo,
Yun nga.
eventually, mag-uusap din kayo.
Kaya nga madaming baon na, 'di ba? Hinanakit or ano ba? Mga negative yung mga ibang mag-asawa because of that.
Hindi na papag-usapan.
Yes. So this is also a reminder not only to us but also to the people watching or listening na always have that spark, like be creative.
Mhm.
For me, I always believe na si God ang nag-create ng marriage. So siya rin yung nagsasabi na, you know, you really love your spouse. And actually, when you really read the Bible, well, madaming creative ways to, you know, show your love to your spouse.
Mhm.
And that's very important kasi it helps you also remember why you chose your spouse from day one. Parang, bakit nga ba siya yung pinili ko? Bakit nga ba siya yung pinili ni Lord for me? Yung, ano, yung best para sa'yo. So, yeah.
Okay.
And not to let, ano ba yun? External factors na magpa-affect sa marriage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, tama. Na always remember or always to keep remind yourself bakit mo siya pinakasalan in the first place.
Yeah.
Huh?
And yung leader natin, di ba? Lagi niyang, sinasabi na pag-pray natin yung house natin, marriage natin, yung tao sa bahay,
Yeah.
na guard it with your legions of angels, cover it with your blood. For me, that prayer of ours every single day has been really helpful. Not only to our marriage, but to our child, our housekeepers, and yung bahay. Ayun. Yeah.
So yeah, I guess that concludes our first episode. Marriage expectations versus reality. So I hope marami kayong natutunan along the way, and hanggang ngayon you've been listening to us, and if you want to learn more
Yes.
about those topics, abangan nyo na lang on the next coming episodes on the podcast. So thank you again guys for listening.
Thank you.
See you again.
See you.